Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Reboot Inspiration. In today's video, I am going to show you how to install WordPress CMS manually using cPanel. There are 5 simple steps. Step 1. Download WordPress core files from the official website. Step 2. Upload the WordPress files onto the server. Step 3. Create a new SQL database. Step 4. Create a new database user. And finally, step 5. Install WordPress CMS. Here I am logging into my cPanel. I am using my domain and hosting from hostorio.com and my hosting plan is professional. Let's go to step 1. Visit wordpress.org website. This is the official WordPress website. Then click on this button, download WordPress 6.4.3. Now, step 2. Let's go to cPanel and click on File Manager. Click on Public HTML folder. Select the domain name folder where you want to install WordPress. Here I am using one of my subdomain. Click on Upload. Select the newly downloaded WordPress file. File upload is done. Let's reload the folder. I will extract this zip file now. Now in this new folder, all the files are extracted. Click on Select All and move all the files into the parent folder. Now we can delete the zip file. Step 3. Go to MySQL database. I will create a new database here. Write the database name and click on Create Database button. I will store this information for future use. Step 4. Create new database user. I am typing a new database username. I will use password generator to create a strong and safe password. I will store the user and password again. Now I will add this new user to the new database. Select the specific user and database from drop-down list and add. Give all privileges and make changes. Now final step, step 5. Open the domain in a new tab. See, there is a step-by-step process to follow to install the CMS. Click Continue. From here, we just need first 3 information. Click Let's Go. Now I will input my saved information here. Keep following. Now run installation. This username and password is for logging into WordPress dashboard. Insert your email. Now install WordPress. Our WordPress install is now complete. Let's log in. Now you can go ahead to customize your beautiful website. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, click on like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.